Did you know that Fein created the first ever oscillating multi-tool? A crazy group of German doctors pitched this idea back in the 60s, and now it's one of the most top buys for any toolbox arsenal across different brands all around the world. It's alive! But you can't talk about any oscillating tool without including the Fein Multimaster. Fein has cordless and corded options with their Multimaster. There are some differences between them other than a cord. Also, some differences between the series options, the AMM 500 Plus or the 700 Max series. There's also a 300 series, but that's geared more toward an entry-level or homeowner. We want power tools, not toys, right? But hey, if you're not needing that much power, the 300 series still gives you accuracy and reliability. Fein's entry-level will still outperform many other brands. No judgment from me. The 500 series is the most popular option out of the three. Now, the cordless 500 series is the newest option out there for the cordless type, and it moved away from their own battery to the AmpShare platform. Fein prioritizes compatibility with one of the best battery packs out there. This is the Bosch 18-volt platform. While not the most popular battery, it's available everywhere, but most importantly, available at Ohio Power Tool. These packs feature some of the best electronic safeguards against overloading, overheating, and deep discharge. The Cool Pack technology extends service life and capacity monitoring. It's available in 4, 8, or even 12 amp hours. These kits are also highly transportable with the L-Box system, also shared by Bosch and some of the other guys. So what good is all that power if it's not comfortable or safe? These Multimasters have a great anti-vibration system and noise insulation. Blade changes are so nice. If you haven't used the Starlock tool change, you're missing out. It is stupid simple. The powerful DC motor with variable speed control and durability is ensured with a metal drive head and mechanical interface for stationary use. Next up is the Corded Multimaster MM 500 Start Kit, which is the most popular option out of all the Multimasters, and it has its own advantages. Like minimal vibration and noise thanks to a self-supporting motor with a vibration decoupling, giving you a comfortable and quiet operation. A big old 350 watt Fein high performance motor for durability and great cutting speeds, while constant speed is maintained through electronic speed control under load. Accessory changes are quick and hassle-free with the QuickIN rapid clamping system. Its versatile handling is facilitated by an integrated interface for system accessories and a soft grip zone for ergonomic use. Additionally, the Starlock Plus tool mount ensures outstanding torque transfers and compatibility with a wide range of accessories, making it a versatile and effective tool for various applications. Both product lines cater to different preferences. Cordless tools provide mobility, while corded tools offer even more power and endless runtime. Fein's Multimaster series ensures efficiency and versatility for various tasks, making it the ideal solution for any professional or DIY enthusiast. And that's all I got to say about that.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.
Nickel pickle.